Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I'm back with another video for you guys today. Now, as you can see, I have today's date, which is the 12th of February 2021. Now, you must be thinking, why I got this date? What is so important? Well, I'm going to tell you. Today's date is both a palindrome. That has a big word. Palindrome. Go and check this one out. And an an ambigram, yeah, that one. So you must be thinking, what does this mean? What is a palindrome and a ambigram? Well, I'm going to tell you. This is which means you can read the date from left. As you can see, you can read the date 12 of the 2nd 2020, and from the right you'll say the same thing, 12 of the 2nd 2020. And what is cool as well, if you flip the screen upside down, you can read the date and it'll be the same thing. That is a crazy one. This date thingamajigger only happens once in every 1,000 years. So today is a very rare event that you can align the numbers like this one. So today was a quick video to show you guys that this is a palindrome and an ambigram, and believe that one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, like the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And as always, Bali Corona virus bleeder.